Good morning, snack attackers. Look like we got some fried bologna here. It might make us a little snack attack breakfast thing. Look at that. Look like a Pac-Man though, so we're gonna call it a Pac-Man sandwich. Yep, Pac-Man sandwich. Yep. So then over here we got some bacon, leftover bacon that I warmed up with some mayo and some bread. Let it soak in there for a minute. And then what we're gonna do, take some of this. Well, if I can get it up on the spatula a little time, isn't it? Yes, it is. That's okay. Look, we got it. We got it. Put it on there. Slap some cheese on that. Bacon won't fall off. We can just put it back on. Doesn't matter. Yep. Slap some cheese on that. But you know what? Let's just take a bite. Just take a bite. Go right there. Hold, please. Hold, please. Uncle Kevin out.